Hello all, it's just Pull It Apart Paul, and here's some updates on the GEC model which I'm restoring, and it's been pulled it apart by me. So revisiting this, just been waiting for some warmer weather and some motivation. This radio had a full alignment recap inside and a lot of work. All the original manufacturer's paint has been stripped, it's been sanded to 2000 grade. It's then been primed in 1500 grade acrylic etch primer, and the faceplate's been done. That's got to be sprayed in matte. It's been done in gloss just to get rid of imperfections. And then the extensive work has been done to the faceplate, getting rid of all the scratches, marks, gouges over the last 30 years. So there we go. I'll just show you the insides of the radio. Alright, so the radio's been fully recapped. It's been aligned. This had the horrible crackling noise that these seem to get plagued with when the caps start to go. Now, I've done about 7 or 8 of these now. All of them have had the same issue. The other issue is the broken perspex. Over time it cracks because they've just used perspex, not a polycarbonate. So I've installed green LEDs in the faceplate rather than halogen bulbs which melt the perspex. Remember, these weren't meant to last more than a couple of years, not 50 odd years. Alright, so the colour's going back to original. I had, and I'm not saying that's 100% accurate yet. I'm considering putting a colour shift on the panel, and so when you look at it from a certain angle or a metallic, all around the bezel, and keeping the knobs the metallic silver. Alright, so that's your update on this GEC model 35826 SSB 40 channel Australian delivered radio. Remember, comment, like and subscribe. This is Pull It Apart Paul, over and out.